Are you over basic life hacks and are seeking genuine conversation that actually goes deeper?
If you're ready to create a life that's not just organized, but truly optimized for who you are now, you're in the right place.
Welcome to Life with Go. I'm Adriane.
And I'm Mary.
And after 5 years of building an incredible online community, we created this YouTube channel for women who are ready for that next level.
We're saving you a seat at the table, where the conversation is always warm and the advice is practical and real. We believe it's not about a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about discovering what serves you.
And we don't just show you how to set up a planner, we show you how to pick a planner that works for your unique personality types.
We don't just talk about holiday decorating. We explore how to create new traditions as an empty nester.
Here we trade surface level tips for meaningful strategies that respect your intelligence and your journey.
We're building a community of amazing women, and our tagline is friends creating their best lives 1 week at a time. And we mean it.
We do. If you're ready to join us, then please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss one of our weekly videos, and
grab a cup of something you love, settle in, and let's get started.